In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable one-click trading on Tradingview. One-click trading is a powerful feature that lets you place orders instantly without a confirmation pop-up. That speed can be incredibly useful, but it also means your clicks have real consequences. Before you turn it on, be sure you're comfortable with how orders execute on your account and consider practicing with a simulated or paper trading setup first. Start by opening your browser and heading to tradingview.com. If you have an account, sign in so your settings are saved and applied across sessions. Once you're on the platform, look to the panel on the right side of the screen. That's where your watch list lives. Choose the symbol you want to work with by clicking it in the list. This loads the chart for that market. Next, switch to the full chart view so you have access to all the trading features. You'll see an option labeled Full Chart. Click it to open the advanced full screen layout. This is the workspace where you'll enable the one-click option. Inside the chart area, right-click anywhere on the background of the chart. A context menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings. This opens the chart settings window, which includes visual preferences and trading-related controls. In the settings window, find and click the trading section. This is where Tradingview gathers the options that affect order placement and how trading tools behave on the chart. Look for the one-click trading option, toggle it on to enable it. When you do this for the first time, Tradingview may display a warning reminding you that orders will be sent immediately without an extra confirmation dialog. Read this carefully and proceed only if you're sure this workflow suits you. To finalize your change, click OK. This applies the setting and closes the window. From now on, buy and sell actions triggered from the chart or trading panel can execute instantly using your default parameters. A few quick tips to use this safely. Keep an eye on your default order quantity and order type so you know exactly what will be sent when you click. Be mindful of your cursor position around the buy and sell controls, especially during fast markets. If you only need one-click trading for a specific session, you can come back to the same trading tab and toggle it off afterward. That's it. You've enabled one-click trading on Tradingview and you're ready to operate with speed and confidence. Take a moment to get comfortable with the workflow, start cautiously, and you'll make the most of this feature.